Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Fidelity Investments for digital assets, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the official Fidelity Investments website. Navigate to the login section at the top right corner of the home page. Enter your username and password to log into your account. If you don't have an account, sign up by selecting the Open an Account option. Once logged in, locate the Digital Assets section in the menu. Click on it to access the digital assets offerings. Read through the information provided to understand the services available. Select the option to connect your digital wallet. Follow the prompts to choose your preferred digital wallet provider. Enter the necessary credentials for your digital wallet. Ensure all information entered is accurate before proceeding. Review the terms and conditions associated with connecting your digital wallet. Once satisfied, agree to the terms and click on the Connect button. Wait for the system to verify your connection request. You may be prompted to complete additional security measures for verification. After successfully connecting, you'll receive a confirmation message. You can now start managing your digital assets through Fidelity Investments. Visit the dashboard to explore your digital asset portfolio. Familiarize yourself with the tools and resources available to manage your investments. Consider reviewing educational materials to enhance your understanding of digital assets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.